Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin D2 Bravo, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now, let's continue with the reset. So, first thing you will need to do is to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. After the menu opens, you can scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons, like this. Now, select the settings option, and once you select it, press the start button to enter. Now, scroll down through the menu, or up, depending on if you want to do it faster or slower, basically. But what you need to do is to select the system option, and once you select it, press the start button. Here, scroll through the menu, select the option called restore defaults, and then press the start button. And here you can select yes, and press the start button to confirm, and reset the watch. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.